Hello everyone, we are Group 10 including Zhao Zhao, Duanyaqi, Dengxin. We will introduce our dashboard data analysis report. Power BI is a tool for processing data, and its biggest strength is visualizing reports. First of all, we have to import the data into Power BI. Choosing the CSV, open the data, and then select the transform data. Because we want to ensure the accuracy of the data. When we find that the data type is not correct, right-click the USD title. We can change the data type. First, select the column, then right-click title, and finally select the data type you need. This step ensures that the values are of the correct data type, which ensures that errors are minimized. And also, we right-click the first column, choose Rename, change the first title to Date. If you find that some of the data needs to be merged, then also select the columns that need to be merged and right-click Merge. After that, a dialog box will appear which you can fill in as required. If you find that some of the data needs to be split, then right-click and select Split. If you find that some data is invalid and not needed, then you can select it and right-click Remove Other Value, and then the column will disappear. Once we have processed the data, we can set up the report. It is very easy to actually use Power BI to build a visual report. After we apply our data, we can find our data source in the field Exchange Data. This is the data we have already processed. First, we select the data we need, like EUR, GBP, HKD, and click on the blank space, and we can click on Slicer. Then we click on the data model we need so that Splice will automatically load the data model we selected. Next, we start filter our data. We usually modify the format for easy of viewing, and we can modify various metrics to make the video look nice and easy to analyze. For example, x-axis, y-axis, title, and so on. In order to filter this data, click the blank space and choose the slicer. We can filter by year. So we can choose 1 year, and then we can see the change in other charts about this year. We can choose other charts on the slides, like we choose this model and click the date like AUD, CAD, CHF, and date. Then we get a new chart. Next, we want to get a table chart on slides and choose some data we need, like year, month, day, JPY, SGD, USD. And we can use the quick measure. It is no need to re-enter the formula. So then we calculation type, we click the year over year, select a base value and add a date. Then we get a new data, JPY year to year on the field. We click add this new data. We also want to get a measure about month. So click again quick measure and choose month over month change. Add the data and date. We get a new data in dashboard field, SDG month to month. Add this and close the measure. Then if we click different year, we can see each year corresponds to the year to year. If we want to change the shape of these charts, click the Build Visual on the visualizations, turn on or off the labels. We also can change the title and the values. If we want to change the title of this chart, we just click Title on the General. Like change to Exchange 1 or Exchange 2. Different word shape or different color. Lastly, we can get final report, select the textbooks, edit the title, adjust the word color and position. And then we can publish our report to the websites of Power BI. And add the Power BI on Teams. Then you can see the Power BI and browse these files. This enables file sharing and brings a lot of convenience.